Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nurul Syahrani and today I will present about translation expert. What is translation theory? Translation theory according to translation expert. So what is translation theory? Translation cannot be separated from theory. Theory is a basic in translation. Theory basic that provides the rule and meaning in translation by which every translation can be measured. It must be an appropriate translation determination and it should be measured by switchable theory. If the translation process is not based on translation theory, the result of the translation will fail and can't success as a target translation. Therefore, translation theory is an important necessity another language to get good translation. Therefore, translation theory is not a theory and not a science, just a collection of knowledge that we have to master and we need to learn continually. Translation theories and practitioners have forever been always argued that translation is either a part or science or even just a craft. Thus, translation theory tries to have a little knowledge to translation between opinion, meaning, language, and all its aspects. Translation theory according to translation experts. The first is Catford translation theory. According to Catford 1965, the replacement of textual material in one language or source language by equivalent textual material in another language or target language, it means translation is the replacement of language text, the language resource appropriate to the target language. Catford 1978 20 define translation as the replacement of textual material in one language by equivalent textual material in another language. The second is Newmark translation theory. According to Newmark 1988, translation is rendering the meaning of a text into another language in the way that the author intended the text. Newmark 1991-27 defines the act of translation very briefly. It is the act of transferring meaning of a stretch or a unit of a language, the whole or a part, from one language to another. The third is Nida and Tabor translation theory. According to Nida and Tabor, 1974, translation is a rewriting of message contained in a source language into the target language to find similarities. Milder L. Ryerson translation theory. Translation is basically a change of form. According to Larson, when we speak of the form of a language, we are referring to an actual words, phrases, clauses, sentences, paragraphs, which are spoken or written. These forms are referred to as a surface structure of a language. It is the structural part of the language which is actually seen in a print or heard in speech. In translation, the form of the source language is replaced by the form of the receptor or target language. The purpose of the text is to show the translation consists of transferring the meaning of the source language into the receptor language. The fifth is Breslin translation theory. According to Breslin 1976, translation is a removed strategy of ideas and thought from a source language to the other language in written or orally. It means translation is a general term referring to the transfer of thoughts and ideas from one language to another, whether the language is in written or oral form, whether the language have established orthographies or not, or whether one or both languages is based on science, as with science of the deaf. And the last is Will's translation theory. Wolf form, Wills proposed the definition of translation as follows. Translation is a transfer process which aims at the transformation of a written source text into an optimally equivalent TL text and which requires the syntactic, the semantic, and the pragmatic understanding and analytical processing of the SL. Based on this definition, the translation should understand the syntactic, semantic, pragmatics, and analytical processing of the source language to look for the most equivalent words for the source text. It means translation, according to Wills, is not merely translating text but also transforming, simulating, imitating, and replacing the source text into the target. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.